so real quick, I just wanted to inform you guys on the Otaku Box. Every month you'll receive a box full of fun anime and gaming items. I love all the things that come in there. You get to even vote on a figure sometimes. And unlike other anime loot crates, this Otaku Box is personalized by you guys, the subscribers, which you guys can vote on anime art, and it's just so cool. And on top of that, there's this really great app called Ecchi Art, and it has exclusive photos, and I post on there almost every single day and interact with you guys. So it's a great way for us to connect with each other. So make sure you guys check those out. All links will be down below. Now let's move on to the tutorial. So I am combining two foundations, my tannest and also my lightest foundation. Now this kind of matches my body right now because my face, I always put a lot of sunscreen on my face. So I don't really get a tan on there, but my body, however, tans very easily. It used to get really, really red, but now it's starting to tan, which is nice. I don't use any tanning products or anything like that, and I'm going to keep this very natural because I'm not going to take my color too intense this time. Then I am going to take some concealer. Like I said in all my cosplay videos, I use the Maybelline Fit Me because it doesn't dry, it's affordable, and if you make a mistake, it's not going to be heartbreaking to have to wipe it off. So yeah, I'm also wearing these lenses. I can't remember where they're from, but they're like the best light brown lenses. I'm so sorry. I wish I could tell you. Now I am going to use, I just set my face, but I'm taking the Dido Cosmetics Aphrodite palette. These palettes are amazing. I love the packaging. It came in 3. It has Aphrodite, Hera, and I believe Athena. So right now I'm using the Aphrodite palette, and I kind of want to do some more Greek goddess tutorials, so let me know what you think. But the names are all in Greek alphabet letters. I love that so much. I'm super into Greek mythology. But yeah, I'm just taking really warm shades, super simple. Honestly, it's very easy to figure out at this point. I'm kind of sorry that the camera was a little off, but you see almost everything I do anyway, so it's not that big of a problem. Then I'm taking the Laura Geller highlighter, and this is in Gilded Honey, and I just am going to highlight my inner corners, and we're going to do a really strong winged eyeliner that is very thin and elongates the eyes. I'm going to be using the Flick Stick for this. The Flick Stick is good for beginners, but I don't really need the Flick Stick. Just letting you know that it's great if you are a beginner and mess up on your eyeliner because it has that stamp, so you could work from there. So I am doing a very elongated type of liquid eyeliner. This has been really popular this year. It looks nice. I see why it is popular. So now I'm just coating my lashes. And I'm going to take a very simple lashes. I am going to just be using magnetics. So just coat your lashes thoroughly, and I am just using the Ardell half lashes, and these are magnetics. And all it does is elongate the eyes, and that's it for the eyes. So for the face, I'm going to take this orangey bronzy color. I kind of went a little heavy on this. I need to learn how to not go so heavy with blush. I just love the sunburnt look, but I know a lot of people make fun of that look. But personally, I really enjoy it. But yeah, if you guys are gonna be chill for Halloween, let me know. Like, that would be so cute. Anyways, I'm taking 2 lip combos. I am using MAC's Boldly Bare lip liner and also Absolutely It by MAC. I'm combining these two to overline my lips to have a poutier look like her. And then I'm taking Kinda Sexy by MAC right here, and then Naturally Chic by Milani to get that nude peachy lip color. And that is basically it for this makeup look. Let me know if you guys are gonna be this for Halloween, or you just like cosplaying like me and every day you like to be a different character. But yes, this cosplay is actually from Mitt Costume, so if you're interested, go ahead. But this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do recreate it, make sure to tag me on my cosplay account. All right, see you later. Bye.